Most people have some kind of neck, shoulder, or back pain, sort of stemming in the sort of upper shoulder, upper back region. They often will have issues with rashes between or underneath their breasts where the skin contact between either between their breasts or between the breasts and the rib cage leads to moisture, friction, skin breakdown, or rashes. Many people will have headaches if there's someone who gets migraines. Sometimes the tension that is builds up in their neck and shoulders can be a trigger for headache problems. And people are unable to exercise the way they want. They haven't been able to run since they were a kid without feeling conspicuous or feeling pain. Oftentimes, it's almost universal. They're wearing two sports bras if they're trying to do any kind of exercise, and they are really frustrated with certain activities. There's also oftentimes embarrassment from attention that they may have received, oftentimes at a young age by breasts that developed quickly and developed very large. And and then in swimsuits or other clothing, certain types of clothing that don't fit. Their dresses don't zip all the way up their waist and then over their back the way they would like them to. So they end up having to wear two pieces or blouses and skirts or things like that rather than dresses. They're frustrated with finding bras that fit. I can go on and on. I mean, it's hard. Their bras are expensive. They're bought at specialty shops. That's very hard to find and difficult to keep up the finances for your bra collection. It's not fun. They're making life decisions every day based on how to hide their breasts, how to support their breasts. What are they going to do if, you know, whatever. People come in sometimes with rags tucked up underneath in the summertime because it's so moist, or so hot that they have sweat and they just have to swap out pads or different things to try to keep the skin protected. It's really can be challenging. So then getting rid of all of those symptoms is extraordinarily freeing. We have photos on display at portlandplasticsurgery.com, also on our socials. And if you come into the office at any time, I can show you a list of before and after photos of folks who maybe weren't even comfortable with them being out in social media or out on the computers, but that are really happy with their results and happy to share with prospective patients.